Do you want to know what passive income looks like? That's what it looks like. If you do the math, that's $2,400. $2,400 that I just made today. The first 900 came in while I was sleeping. I woke up in the morning and there it was. And then throughout the day, the other two sales came in. That's true passive income, because when you have an automated system that is working for you globally, not just limited to where you live or the country in which you live or the state in which you live, but globally, it's working for you 24/7. And the really cool thing about it is you don't have to chase it. You don't have to bug family and friends to show them what you're doing. You attract them to you. How do you do that? How do you set up people that are attracted to you? We have a digital e-course that will teach you all the steps, how you can master all the steps about social media, how to find your ideal customer, how to get them attracted to you. And you master that all in a 2-hour workday. And that's the kind of results you see with digital marketing. So if you can master your 2-hour day, no joke, those are the kinds of results you start to see. And I've only been doing this for 2 weeks, guys, just 2 weeks. So what does mastering your 2-hour day look like? How do you find customers and leads that are being attracted to you? The 2-hour workday teaches you how to work on social media, but if you're an introvert and that's not your thing, it teaches you a whole thing on how to copy and paste ads so that people know what you have. And people are wanting it, guys. The digital marketing space, it is a $1.25 billion with a B dollar industry right now, a day, $1.25 billion a day industry right now. And it's because of numbers like that. So if this sounds like something that you want to start learning about, figure out what all this is, what is this whole digital marketing space, comment me in the comments, and I would love to share with you my blueprint of my step-by-step of exactly what I'm doing.